How to resend an e-file tax return in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you need to resend your e-file tax return, this means you're amending your return to correct errors or make changes after the IRS has already accepted your original tax return. Now, if IRS hasn't accepted your original e-file or it's still pending, you cannot file an amendment yet. You must wait until the IRS processes your return. Once your return is accepted, you can proceed with amending it. For this, open your return in TurboTax, log into your TurboTax account, locate your current tax return under your tax returns and documents, select the tax year you need to amend. Now, click on the Amend a Return option. This option will guide you to amend your federal tax return using Form 1040X. Follow the prompts to make any changes or correction to your returns, such as adding or updating income, deductions, credits, or write-off. Then, you want to review your form and finalize the 1040X form. After that is done, you want to e-file your amended return. Once your amended return is filed, you can track its status using the IRS Where's My Amended Return tool. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.